Looking for a dependable Ethernet cable that delivers fast, stable network connections? The StarTech Cat5e Patch Cable supports reliable 350 MHz and 1 Gigabit per second Ethernet speeds with Power over Ethernet (PoE) capability. It's designed to keep your network running smoothly whether you're connecting from a hub to a distribution panel or linking your workstation to a wall outlet. What sets this cable apart is its compatibility with Category 5 and Category 5e applications, making it a versatile choice for fast Ethernet networks. The molded Cat6 RJ45 connectors prevent cable damage and ensure a secure fit, while the unshielded twisted pair (UTP) construction maintains signal integrity without unnecessary bulk. I was genuinely impressed by the build quality considering the affordable price. Unlike many inexpensive cables that arrive stiff and curled, this one straightened out immediately. The supple sheathing and softer rubber coating don't compromise durability. Instead, they make installation easier and let the cable lie flat without kinks or twists. The cable ends are neatly finished and well terminated, which means fewer connection issues and a cleaner setup. Whether you're organizing a home office or managing a complex wiring system, this cable helps keep everything orderly. StarTech even offers a lifetime warranty, so you know you're investing in something built to last. Color coding your network setup becomes effortless with StarTech's range of patch cables in different lengths and colors. This makes troubleshooting faster and keeps your workspace looking professional. It's a simple way to maintain control over your Plex wiring system without extra hassle. If you want a cable that combines quality, reliability, and ease of use, the StarTech Cat5e Patch Cable is worth a look. It handles gigabit speeds with ease and stands up to daily wear, all while fitting neatly into your existing network infrastructure. When you need a trustworthy Ethernet cable that won't slow you down or complicate your setup, StarTech's patch cable delivers. Check for the StarTech branded packaging to ensure you're getting the genuine product backed by a solid warranty. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your network with confidence.